All right, guys, thanks for watching. We're gonna go grab a coffee at Tim Hortons, and then we are gonna get some flight time practice in with the drone. Just get practice in general overall. I want to get proficient enough, of course, so that eventually once we get to a stage where we can do aerial photography of the bridge, for example, or over the roundabout, where I can do it with basic confidence, basically making sure that I'm not going to crash it into like cars and stuff. So we're going back to the same location we went to first time to practice, and we'll see how it goes. Nick is graceful enough to buy us coffee, so we're going to go grab a coffee first. Come on. I've gotten actually pretty good at this, where I'm not actually crashing it. The last one I did, I actually managed to bounce it off the pavement but didn't crash it, so I am definitely getting better. There's a lot of wind today. That's going to really cut our flight time down. The reason I say that is I'll still fly it, but I'll have to fly it in high power to fight against the wind. It might actually be too windy, you know.
It might not.
It might be. It'll definitely cut the flight time down. Oh well, even if we just go fly it for, 10 minutes per battery.
So do you got your other battery with you?
Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
Eventually, I want to be able to afford a nicer drone, even though this one's awesome. It's going to be good for practice, but get a better drone with a better camera. Yeah, that's really breezy but we'll try anyway. Worst that can happen is we break off an arm. Yeah.
I turned down my brightness too.
Oh, good. That'll make your battery last longer.
Though,
Yeah, it'll.
so I can still see my screen.
Yeah. The benefit of doing it the way I do it is I can put it right down. I don't need to see the screen, right?
For me, I kind of have to, because I don't have that thing that you have.
Yeah, but you don't need the screen to see where you're shooting. You know where you're pointing the camera, right? Hey, generally when we come across people like this, point it away. Just maybe over there or something. Hey, it's just polite, right? Courtesy. That way someone doesn't get offended that you're filming them. Even though you have a right to, No sense in riling people up, right? Because then you get pummeled by a girl. Yeah. This would be a good area to fly too, because it's all wide open. And the grass, even if it does crash, it's not going to break. If I crash it on the cement, it'll break. But until I get a little better, I will do it over here. You're the sexiest truck driver I ever seen. Look at that thing. It's got all the bumper all burst off. Probably got hit in the back, eh? Crushed in the back. And then the thing just fell right off.
Should we try to fly it to Timmy's?
No. That's how we get run over. Or the drone gets run over. I could fly it from this side of the parking lot to that side. Here, we'll go over here. All right, guys. Uh-oh. It's saying the battery's dead. It's not turning on. I don't know what I've done. Maybe it has to work with the camera on. Can you imagine? All right, let's try changing the battery out. Maybe it's a battery thing and it needs a fresh battery. See how windy it is? That's gonna give me trouble. See, that's beeping too.
Turn it off?
Yeah, let's try turning it off and on. There we go. All right. All right, let's start walking over.
All right, I got the other battery in my pocket.
Awesome.
Watch, dude.
Hey, we'll go scare those birds. Look. The wind's blowing it.
Where's the thing?
It crashed. It's way over there. I told you the wind caught it. It's way too windy to fly it today. But at least we tried. I tried scaring the birds, but they run off. They didn't even run off.
Try just down low, man. So
Yeah.
it doesn't touch it first.
No, you can even feel the wind here. It's too oh crap. Just tilt it up. Tilt it up. No, no. Just tilt it. Put it down. Awesome. I can recalibrate it from here and we'll take it off. See, the wind's catching it so bad. We could probably fly it closer to the building and would be okay. See the wind's pushing it down? And then if the second I let go, the wind just grabs it. See? I'm doing nothing. If I let it, it would fly out into the road. Let's try landing it, see what happens. Wow, the wind just catches it like crazy. Let's take it off. That's on high power. If I didn't have it on high power, it would just burn away, blow away. I don't even mess with the trim on this, just simply because it's not the trim's fault. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Went too far over. That wind is so strong today. I think we're probably gonna call it a day. I barely, you saw I have barely control over it. If it goes too high, it's gone. But it's so much fun. Yeah, it's too windy. Oh well, let's go grab a coffee, and we'll come and try it another day. I can let that other battery charge fully. Hey, look, a mouse rat trap. Hey, we should offer to buy her coffee since we're going to Timmy's. That'd be nice, eh? You wanna do a nice thing? Hey, we're just going over to Timmy's. You want a coffee or a tea or something? All right, have a great day. Thanks for indulging us. Yeah, if it hadn't been windy, it would have been amazing. Like, this is such an amazing place to practice.
Yeah, it wasn't windy this morning.
I know. Uh-oh. Now they've done it. Uh-oh. What'd you do, Nick? I didn't do nothing. I'm innocent. Hey, if the wind dies down this afternoon, like if it gets quieter this afternoon, we can charge up and come out again, right? This wind might not stay up all, right? So if, as long as it comes less windy.
Pause it.
I don't. General rule is, don't point it at people, right? Or if someone says something, well, generally, just courteous. I should have brought my hat. Yeah.
There's a slimy hat.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Usually, by the way, jalapeno. I don't ever associate pastry with something spicy.
Huh?
I never associate pastry with something spicy, right? So jalapeno. The herb and garlic maybe. But only if it's not sweet, right? You either want to be a pastry or you want to be a...
And that might be it. Or that.
Well, I'll replace this.
Huh?
I'll replace this. I know something. I know mine's coming in like right away.
It's fine. If I have to, I'll put 10 away.
Nah, no, don't worry about it. I'll get it back. Look at this, floaties. 5 foot floaties.
Don't worry about it.
Extra large, please, Ken. Extra large.
It's not that hard to replace.
Unless you got a bucket.
With that extra. Crazy motherfucker.
Maybe we could get this filled with coffee. That'd be the look. One of the pumpkin over coffee.
I need that. No, it's not coffee. Thank you.
Hi there. Extra large double double. I guess extra large double double. And he wants an everything bagel, right? An everything bagel?
So it's two extra large double double?
Yeah, and an everything bagel. We have a budget of 10, so I'm hoping that'll...
$7.55.
Awesome. Thank you.
And we can just throw that to a skull.
Thank you. That way someone else can... I don't want it. I know what it is.
I know that's what I want to go too. Anyways. know one person loves their Tims too.
People aren't going to switch their credit cards because it's a Tim's card. Thank you. Everything bagel on the end? Right here, right here. Awesome. What do you want on your bagel?
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you. We'll go down to the end. I need a sleeve,
Huh?
a thermal sleeve. Grab me a sleeve. That's his. That's his. That's your bagel, man. Thank you. I totally forgot to ask for one. Thanks. I should have grabbed two. Fuck. It's fucking slow. You know, hopefully if the weather calms down this afternoon, wind-wise, we're gonna go home and charge these up and see what happens. Let's see if we can fuck with the seagulls. maybe they'll fall for it this time. They might not even hang out. They might just fuck right off. Again, it's really windy. Oh shit. Grab the coffees. We better go pick it up. I don't think if I let it go up, it'll blow the frick away. At least we managed to scare the seagulls. Oh, he's pissed at us. He's yelling at us. Got to calibrate it first, and then away we go. Oh, that wind's so bad. Go grab it, go grab it. That's crazy, eh? Yeah, it's just too freaking windy, guys. As you can see, it's bad. Ah, well, at least we got out. At least you got to come hang with us. I appreciate that. That's always the goal, right? Thanks, buddy. Leave us not be hasty, and we shall head home. This episode was not brought to you by Tim Hortons, even though I wish it was. Can you imagine being sponsored by Tim's? You get to go travel the nation, visiting all the Tim Hortons and being the Tim's spokesperson.
Yeah.
My name's Dwayne Scriven, and I love coffee. When I get a hankering for coffee, I get a hankering for Tim's. Tim Hortons. Hey, I could give you a simulated drone video. I'll make the drone noises even. Ugh. I can't keep up the simulation.
Yeah.
Right. I've got to make inquiries and find out what kind of batteries these are and where I can get more. What?
JRC.
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna get them right from there.
A miracle.
You're a miracle.
Miracle on ice. There's no ice. Nice, look at that. That's cool. Little wee bike. It was like a little lawnmower. Little lawnmower. Cutting shit on the way. You choking?
Huh?
You dying? Why? How?
I'll be not coughing.
Not coughing. Ah, yeah. That actually makes sense. Dollars and cents. Because you'd be able to like sue someone.
What?
Yeah, you'd be able to sue someone because you died of something, right? Maybe the coffee. No, just kidding. Tim Hortons coffee never killed anyone.
That little Pete says.
Little Pete says. Maybe we'll head down and do a hangout at the bridge this afternoon.
I won?
I don't know, maybe.
Hey, Dwayne. That was kind of awesome how I was like trying to eat my fucking everything like with green cheese. Like I was eating it like a fucking bird.
I don't know what that means.
eating a bagel
Uh-huh.
like a bird?
Okay. You mean pecking at it?
No.
Oh.
Like trying to like get it into her mouth.
Oh, you mean gulping it?
Yeah, but
Gulping it down?
like trying to cut it into small pieces.
Got okay, okay. Yeah, no, I got ya. That's good. Yeah. That's some fine gulping, Nick. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the school, man.
This?
Yeah.
I don't know about that. I think it's a community center for the French folk. I'm French. Well, half French. Half of me could go in there. The other half would not be welcome. I'm a dirty Anglophone. It's a nice building, eh?
Very nice building.
Well, nice building you.
I'll show you.
I'll show you. It's nice out, but I think I'm gonna get a hat. Maybe we'll hang out front. That way I could get Tammy out.
Boy, you're just crazy, man.
Not me. I'm French. Would a crazy guy have a drone? No.
Yeah.
Maybe. Would a crazy guy have drone and body armor?
Yeah.
Definitely. Oh yeah, okay.
Wait, you're talking about yourself, man.
Oh, okay, not crazy at all then. Right?
You're talking shit about yourself, man.
All right, I'm not crazy at all then. At least that's what we'll tell the press.
Huh?
At least that's what we'll tell the press.
Well, we're basically doing our
What's that?
we're what is it called?
I don't understand your gibberish. Make sense, boy. Want me to start you off? Buck, 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 buck. Now you carry on. No, you don't remember.
What's that? Oh,
Oh, he's got it. He's got it. He's got something.
no, you're right. It's like protect your rights. That type of thing.
From
That's what
nasty,
I'm trying to say.
from nasty STDs
No, for recording.
for recording. Oh yeah, you got to.
I'll show you.
You probably shouldn't. It's probably illegal. We'll get some sort of. We'll end up on some sort of list. Because you showed yourself. You showed us.
No.
Don't show nobody nothing. They might think you're a perv. You broke it?
You broke it.
You broke it.
You did.
Oh shit, let's go, come on. Very inconsiderate, I know.
I'll show you.
You'll,
Crazy.
right? We'll get to the bottom of it.
What's that?
We'll get to the bottom of it. No, we know Tammy's crazy. Oh crap. We're locked out.
You're locked out.
I'm locked out.
We're all locked out.
We'll lock them all out. Good Lord, is it so hot out there?
Biblical curse or something. They were saying burn, burn.
The two women were kind
It's
of
blacker than Heffy's asshole out there. Ah. All right. I do not know about that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. That's been our flight. It was so windy. Look, I'm hot. It was hot and windy, not conducive to flight. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, from Little Nick and me. I'm Tammy now.
Middle son in a strict Mormon family. Brian was severely